Along with the rest of the world, Meghalaya today observed the International Day of Persons with Disabilities 2020 in a most befitting manner at a function held at Yojana Bhavan in the main secretariat in Shillong, where successful persons with disabilities were facilitated. Speaking on the occasion, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed the gathering that the state government will come up with a unique youth policy in which the issues relating to problems of persons with disabilities will be incorporated. The Chief Minister also sought suggestions from everyone to be incorporated in the youth policy, where the state government will be in a position to improve the lives of persons with disabilities. While expressing deep appreciation to the two successful persons with disabilities, Conrad K. Sangma said these persons could shine in their life because of their positive mindset. He urged others to emulate them by having the positive mindset in order to overcome their challenges.
Important day. And we celebrate the International Day for Persons with Disability. And I think there are many aspects. We as citizens, as political leaders, as officials, government, society as a whole, and as individuals with persons with disability need to look back and reflect into many aspects of what has gone into creating different aspects and different opportunities for people with disability, and look back and review to some extent what maybe we have done good and maybe a lot of things that we still need to do. These small aspects of ensuring that policies are implemented in the right way is something that government needs to do. Individuals, as I said, people with disability, it is the mindset that is the most important aspect. And that is the reason why I told you that yes, there will be challenges, and I love the videos that have been made, I love the songs that have been made. They are so positive in nature, they are so inspiring, and I'm sure that it will inspire all our friends with disability, and it's inspired me a lot. And that's the reason why I had this long speech, but I'm not reading this speech because I just feel like speaking from my heart about this. That all of you need to look at this and say, well, I'm going to take up this challenge and I'll do what I have to do. And I'm not going to let others tell me that I can't do it. And it starts with that. The greatest problem with all of us, in fact, not just persons with disability, all of us, we let others tell us that we can't do it. And I think that's where everything goes wrong. The society is great at doing this, There's a saddest part. So let people not tell you that you can't do it. Or let them say it, but just let it not affect you. That is a great beginning that you can make. And I would like to urge all our friends with disability to have that mindset and to work with that mindset.
Meghalaya Minister for Social Welfare Kirman Shilla informed that the Act relating to persons with disabilities should have numerous provisions to protect their rights. He also said that the state government is also implementing the various schemes of the state government and that of the Government of India, such as scholarship and training, so that persons with disabilities could enhance their skills.
The Act is very comprehensive in nature with broader outlook and reach, including the government as well as private establishment. High support in terms of participation in all areas of life, including education, employment, family and community life, treatment and therapy, educational and vocational training extra. There are 21 disabilities in all new Act, and the Act is rights-based approach where it is incumbent on all stakeholders to comply with the various sections of the Act. There are many schemes and programs offered by the Ministry which are directly aimed for the upliftment, rehabilitation and empowerment of persons with disabilities so as to encourage them to lead a life of independence, hope and fulfillment. In Meghalaya, several schemes are implemented for the person with disabilities through the social welfare and other allied departments, namely scholarship schemes, book grants, uniform grants, conveyance allowance, unemployment allowance at ₹1,000 per month, provision for aids and appliance, vocational training, token relief grants at 5,000, transportation subsidies under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, Chief Minister Social Assistant Person schemes at 500 per month, the meritorious scholarship rehabilitation service, grant aids to voluntary organization, loans under NHFDC, and several others.
The day was marked with facilitation to two persons with disabilities, release of the second edition of the Meghalaya Sign Bank app, releasing of two videos, unveiling of state disability logo, and live rendition of Unstoppable.
Warjiri and Sri Ellington Ndo. I am 40% hearing impaired and I have completed my bachelor degree in electrical and electronics engineering from Satyabama University in Chennai, and I am presently working as a graduate apprentice at Power Grid Corporation of India Limited at Clearyat Substation, Meghalaya. It was in 2009 that I got this hearing problem, and it became worse in the year 2014. Since then, I got my disability certificate from Civil Hospital Shillong, which helped me to get a full scholarship admission in Satyabama University in Chennai. It is with the help of God that I became who I am today, and I am so grateful for Him for helping me in every ways.